Let's kick off this UK School Finance and Budgeting System Excel Toolkit with part 1. In part 1, we will look at our budget setup. In this budget setup sheet, we will store our cost centers, categories, annual budget, and monthly phasing with totals as well. And while we go through setting up the sheet, so what I've done was actually I have set up the columns for you, but in each category I will explain each column, what it means, and why it's important as we go along, as we add in this data. So let's get started. So with a column called cost center code, this is a short, unique code to identify each department or area of spending. And why does this matter? Well, it makes sense to organize and sort your budgets. For example, the code 100 will equal English, 110 will equal maths, and 300 equal premises. With the next column, which is called cost center name, this is the full name of the department or area the budget belongs to. Examples are English, maths, ICT, premises, SEND support, which will all be categorized in this column for you. Under the column category, which is called category, we will then add the different categories for each group. So it's a way to group spending into logical types. So why it matters? It makes it easier to report and analyze total cost per type. And examples of these are curriculum, operations, staff costs, SEN, SEN, or whatever you want to call it, staff development as well. And these categories I have created a drop-down link for. So in the budget holder column, this is the person responsible for managing that budget. And in the first row, you will see that the curriculum category will fall under the budget holder, Chase Smith. And he will be responsible, he or she will be responsible for the cost center English. I just want to point out that I have created this toolkit for you, which will definitely help your workflow. And this toolkit you can find below in the description box as well as in the comment section. The link will take you to my paid store. Please make use of this valuable tool. It will cover all sheets, namely this current sheet, which is the budget setup, cost center tracker, staff planner, monthly monitoring, dashboard, and also the navigation sheet as well. So the annual budget column is the total money allocated for the cost center for the whole year. So examples of these are £12,000 for the English department as well as £45,000 for the premises department, and it really depends on what your which department it is. I mean, you won't be spending £45,000 on the English department, but for premises it's a different situation because you need materials, building materials, insurance, those kind of things. So when we look at the phasing column, this is how the annual budget is spread across the months for the year. So why does this phasing column matter? So some budgets are evenly spread, some same amount every month, right? But it depends on the spending and the department, as I mentioned in the previous clip. So some budgets are seasonal, so more spent in some months, less in others, as I explained, and it helps with cash flow planning and forecasting. And it will help you plan and forecast the spending for the following year. It will just really assist you in planning. One tip I want to add is by filling in these columns correctly, your budget sheet can automatically calculate monthly allocations and totals, saving you hours of manual work every single month. Now, what we need to do now is add the phasing formulas, and I like this part. I love formulas. So as you probably would have noticed, I have copied all formulas across the months of April to March, and have down all the rows, copied down all the rows as well, and the totals at the end should match the annual budget anyway. Great. Thank you so much for joining me for this first episode of the series. You can download the full UK school finance and budgeting system with ready-made formulas and dashboards. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.